Welcome to QZenith Video Tutorials. Hi guys, hope you're doing great, and in this video we're going to learn about Putty or Putty, and we're going to discuss about how Putty is going to be beneficial for us, and also I'm going to show you how to download and install Putty in Microsoft Windows 11. So let's get started. Let us assume that I have got a remote server over here. Let's say here we have got Linux machine installed and it is connected to the internet, and then you are working from your home, okay, and you are connected to the internet as well. So here you've got your laptop, and then it's connected to this wireless router through Wi-Fi, and then if you wanted to get the access of this Linux machine remotely, so if you wanted to access this Linux machine through command line interface CLI, so that means one way to do is that you can install Putty and then this application over here, post, and then blank space over here, maybe the username such as credential, and then the password. The IP address of this system is 192.168.1.100, and the username is, I would say, user1, password is user1. From here, using Putty, what you can do is type in the IP address 1.100, and then you want user1, you want password, and then when you press OK, it means you're going to have options such as would you like to connect with SSH or Telnet. So SSH is much secure, so use SSH and then click on OK. So you're going to get a terminal access of that system. Okay, now you can type in the command, you can view whatever things are there, you can configure, you can delete, you can modify, whatever you can do. But the thing is that this user has to have some kind of administrative privilege so that you can delete, modify, and do changes on that specific system. So this application is actually used for accessing remote device as well as accessing local device. But as of now, what we are going to do is we're going to use this Putty for our lab environment. That means to access our routers and switches. So this is done. Now let us see where we can get Putty downloaded and then install it. So I have opened my Oracle VirtualBox Manager because in my host operating system Putty is already installed. So I'm going to show you how to install that, and then I'm going to show you how to access our lab devices, the topology that we have made and have showed you in the previous video. So the OS is booting up. Now log into the system 1 2 3 4 5 6, and if you want the full screen, right control and F, it gives you the option to switch to full screen. Just click on switch and you're going to get the full screen. Now let us open the Edge, and then here we've got the Google page, and then type Putty or Putty, hit enter and download this one, right? So right click on it and open up a new tab, and now you're on this page. Download Putty. I would say Putty is an SSH and Telnet client developed originally by Simon for the Windows platform. So download Putty. Here you've got the package files. So I'm gonna go for this 64-bit x86 or 64-bit ARM. So I'm going to just click on over here, and it's going to download the Putty 64-bit installer app. Open up the download folder and then double click on the installer. It's going to install Putty. Welcome to Putty release 0.83 64-bit setup wizard. Just click on next, and then install it. I'm going to leave the default information just like that. So just click on yes, and view readme file. I don't want to read as of now. Just click on finish, and Putty is successfully installed in your system. Now this is how you can download and install Putty in your system. In the very next video, I'm going to show you how we can work in our EVE-NG machine with this installed Putty application. So this is it in this video. Hope it was informative for you. I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.